from there.
So hi guys, I'm back. And ngayon, I'm really gonna try new skincare. Kasi guys, na-realize ko super dami na ng bump. And sobrang dami yung black guys. At hindi daming mga black. So, tignan natin kung magiging effective yung product na gagamitin ko. So, let's go! So, ito na guys, yung ating mga buksan. So, let's open it. Hey guys, so this is my first night ng paggamit ng product. So, as you can see, ayun yung first time yung product sa face ko. Kasi sensitive. Hi guys, so night 2. So, ganyan siya. Hi guys, this is the day 3. So, as you can see, ganyan na agad yung... Wait lang, medyo lalabas ako para makita niyo. So, yan. Ganyan na yung face ko ngayon. So, at first, pag in-apply siya, medyo nag-red pa sa skin ko. But so far, kumakalma na yung mga dark spots. Ayan, ganyan siya. So, this is the day 3. I see you next. Hi guys, so this is the day 4. Ito na yung face ko as of now. Ayan, so yan siya guys. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, sobrang nag-clear talaga yung face ko and nawala talaga yung mga anik-anik ko dyan. Yung saya guys. So, yan. Wala pa akong sunscreen yan kasi bigla akong nipunta and so far, I think nag-work talaga yung Lux Organics.
So, what I did for the past few months, I use Lux Organics facial wash every morning. Then, punas pag natuyo, toner, and sunscreen. Sa gabi naman, I wash my face using the same product, toner, serum, moisturizer, and then retinol. And take note lang guys ha, twice a week lang po si retinol. And yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!